In today's video, I'm going to discuss the topic of breadboard layout. A breadboard is basically a board with a set of metal strips inside of it that allow you to connect a circuit together, as you can see here. This is the layout for a breadboard. There are power rails, and then you have your inner connections that you can make. And there's a gap that's usually separating these two rails so that you can have more connections available. So basically, this is just more convenient for your power source. As you can see, if you're to plug into your positive power source, it's going to go all the way across this rail, and your negative is going to go all the way across this rail. Then you can take that power source off of it and then plug it into another pin. And then same thing over here. And then you have your circuit. That's exactly how you make a circuit. And I'm going to show you guys that right here. As you guys can see, right here's the gap. So these are not connected. And then the connections go up in a row right here. And then they're like this down on them pins, because those are the power rails. And I'm going to show you this right now. We have a LED here, and I'm going to plug in the anode, the longer lead, on to the right, and the negative lead on to the left, just like that. Okay, and now I'm going to plug in from the positive. So this is the positive, this is the anode, this is the bigger one, to the positive terminal, as you can see. And now you can see, because that wire is in the same row as the LED, those are connected. And it's also connected to the positive power source. So as soon as I put power in there, the positive power would go through there. And now I'm going to do the same thing with a negative, with the negative rail and the cathode, as you can see right there. I should be using a resistor to resist the flow, but I'm not going to keep it on long. As you can see, they're in the same row connected, and then the power source is over here, and I'm going to plug in the power source now so that you guys can see. See, I'm plugging in the power source, and there it is. Okay, so the electrons flow from the negative terminal of the battery over here. So they're going to go from the negative terminal over here through the blue wire. They're going to go through this rail. It's going to go through this wire. And it's going to go through the LED right here. Go up into the LED, power it, go through the anode, and then come out through this red wire. And then it's going to go through the positive. And just like that, that's a circuit. Thank you for watching, and that's how breadboards work. Have a good day.